Hey Pretty Birdies! These are our writing on the wall eyeliner pencils that come in 3 creamy shades. Let's not forget that these pencils are automatic with a built-in sharpener to make sure you can be as precise as possible. Unlike many other eyeliner pencils, these are waterproof. They provide intense color payoff with glide-on application that can be used on both your lids and your waterline. They're also infused with vitamin E to provide moisturizing benefits and deliver smudge-proof, fade-proof, and transfer-proof hold, perfect for all-day wear.